Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 2, that's name is whole numbers, and we are going to see our solution of exercise 2.3, which is related to our Andhra Pradesh State Board, right? So if you have any kinds of doubt or any kinds of confusion related to this exercise, then don't worry about it. So in this video, whatever your doubt is there, whatever your confusion is there, everything is going to be clear. Okay, so let's just start this exercise here. So the first question is it telling here, study the patterns. Okay, now we have to observe the patterns. If you are looking at this pattern, this is going how this pattern is working. Just look at one moment. This is going 1, then 1 1 1 1. Okay, but here what will happen, this pattern is increasing one number 1, then it's going 2, then after 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this pattern is going like that. So what is telling, write the next 4 steps. We have to write the next 4 steps. So what was the next 4 steps we are going to write? This is okay. So let me clear one thing, how this pattern work. Once look at 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. But it means that whenever it is going to one step forward, its one number will be increase. How? Let's see you here. This is how it is going. Once I'm telling you, this is given a 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5. This is once 1. Here 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 5. Now here it's going to be 1 2 3 4. Here 6. Now next what is going to be? It's going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6, and next going to be 7. What the next going to be? Next going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What the next it have to be go? It's have to be go next like this. Okay, now its next will be 1 2. Okay, the next will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, now here if you observe, this pattern is over. This one we observe it, right? Now this observe, it is going to be 8 8 8 8 8. It means that this is also going to be 8 8. Okay, sorry, this is multiplied by 8, this is also multiplied by 8, this is also multiplied by 8. Okay, na, this is also multiplied by 8. Okay, this is okay, no problem, this is same everywhere. If you see this pattern, this one, it is increasing 1 2 3 4 5. It is increasing. So what is it going to be here? 6, because it is 5. It is continuously coming 1 2 3 4 5. Then it is going to be 6. It is going to be 7. It is going to be 8. Okay, now plus symbol it is. It is going to be 9. Okay. Now what will be the answer? Just look at this one here. Okay, so if you observe here this pattern is how it's going 8, then after it is decreasing 9 8. Now again it is decreasing. Now 9 it is 9 8 7. Now it is decreasing 9 8 7 6 9 8 7 6 5. Okay, it means that it is every step it is going to decrease. So what will be the answer? It's going to be simple, 9 8 7 6 5. 5 is still here now it is going to decrease. It's going to be 4. Now what the answer? Next 9 8 7 6 5 4 and then 3, because here 9 is there. It is decreasing, it's become 8. It is decreasing, it's become 7. So we have to write this all, and now it is decreased, it's 6. If 6 decrease, 5 decrease, 4 decrease, 3 decrease, it's become 2. So what it's going to be? 9 8 7 6 5 4 2. If it is also decreasing, then what is going to be? 9 8 7 6 5 4 2, and 2 will decrease, then it's become 1. Okay, so this is our patterns here, and it is clear. Okay, is it clear? Right, so let's complete the second one. So what the second question telling? Study the patterns. Again we have to look at these patterns. If you see here, this is same 91 92 93. Sorry, this is 91 91 91. This is 11 11 11. But here one thing is improving, right? 1 2 3. Okay, it is going to be what? 1 2 3. Okay, and if it is going 1 2 3, what will happen here? It is going 1 2. Here it is going to be two zeros. Okay, now 1 0 0 1 2 0 0 2. It means that here it's going 1 2 3, and 2 0 will be permanent, and then it's going to be 1 2 3. Okay, now so what this pattern is following, in this pattern these are the same, but here 1 2 3, and here what will the answer is going? 1 2 3, then 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3. Its pattern flowing like that. Okay, now just look at that. Now this question telling, write the next 7 step and check whether the result is correct. Try the patterns for 143 cross 1 plus 1, 142 cross plus 2. Okay, we have to try this pattern also, but let's try this one. Okay, we have to write next 7 step ahead. We have to write next 7 steps. So how we can write? It's simple. First write 7. Okay na? This is 91 cross 11 cross, this is till 3 here na? So what is it going to be? It's going to be 4. Okay, right? So now 91 we will be same, 91 11 is same, and this 1 2 3 is there na? It is going to increase. 91 cross 11 cross, this is going to be 5 because it's going to be increase. Okay na? Same 91 cross 11 cross 6. Okay, 91 cross 11 cross 7. Okay na? 91 cross 11 cross 8. Okay, 91 cross 11 cross 9. Okay na? 91 cross 11 cross 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is going to be 10. Okay, this is our pattern. This is our pattern. Now what is the answer? Just look at here, 101 200 30. So here answer will be 4, then put 200 and then 4 over. This is simple. How it is? Just put 1, then 2 zeros 1. Here just put 5, then 00 and last 5. Okay, here first write 6, then 2 zeros, last 6. Okay, here first write 7, then 2 zeros, last 7. Okay, here first we have to write what? 8, then 2 zeros, then 7. Sorry, 8 only. In the last we have to write 8 same digit only. This is 9 na? Write 9, then 2 zeros, last digit 9. And this is 10. So how we can write? First we have to write 10 and already write 2 digits, then again 10. It is possible? No, we have to write only 2 digits, but here it's become 3 digits. So what we do? We are not going to write this one. We are not going to write this one. Why? Because we need only 2 digits. There 2 digits are there na? 2 digits. We need 2 digits. So here it's become 3 digits. So what we are going to do? We do like this. This is 10. Again 2 zeros, and then we have to write 10. Okay, 2 digit, 2 digit. Okay, so this is the right one. Okay na? Is it clear? Right. So here you are writing like this, 10, then 2 zeros, then again 10. So this is wrong. Why? Because we need 2 zeros only. So here we put it to, just I written 10, then 1 0, it's over 10 0. Okay, it's become 2 zeros, then 10. Okay, so this one right. Okay na? So overall, and this question is telling, try this pattern also. You can try this pattern also, like it's, if you given here, so try this pattern. So it is given 143. Okay, 143 cross 7 cross 1. So what is the answer? Once check it. Okay, so if you have okay, I'm sorry. So actually we need to check it, this is total properly or not. So we are going to multiply. So if you multiply 147 cross this is 143, right? 143 cross 7 cross 1. If you multiply, this is going to be same, 101. Okay, now let's do this one, 143 cross 7 cross 2. If you multiply this one also, then what is it going to be? It's sorry, okay, 7 na, it's going to be what? 2 na, right? So it's going to be 2002. So we are understanding by this pattern. In this pattern, this number will be increased, and according to that, the same and the last number will be same. Simple, like 143 cross 7 cross 3. Okay, same as it is we have to write. Now here this 3 is there, write 300, last 3 here. Like here you can write 143 cross 7 cross, this is 1 2 3, this is going to be 4. So what the answer is going to be 4004. Next, 143 cross 7 cross 5 equals to, this is going to be 5005, like that only. Next you can write 143 cross 7 cross 6 equals to then 6006. So this is a one of the way you can do this one, second one. Okay, right. So if it is clear, then I will talk about the last question. This is third one. What is telling that how many multiple of the number 137 33 and 22 with 9 mentally, what is the pattern of the emergence? Okay, so how would we multiply the number that much and that much with 9 mentally with the patterns that emerge? Okay, so this question is very interesting. This question telling how would we multiply these numbers 1 3 6 8 3 4 to get the patterns. Okay, now 9 random patterns we have to get. So how we can do this question? This is something interesting question. Okay, now so let's I talk about this question. So the question is, how would we multiply the number 13680,347 comma 35702,369 and 25692359 with 9 mentally? What is the pattern that emerge? Okay, so this is our question. So let's try to solve this one here. I will write the answer. So we can immediately, if you want to get this such type of patterns, what we are going to do, etc. 9 times you have to get numbers 9999, randomly you have to get 999. So how we can do this one? So it's very easy things here. Okay, now so actually just wait a minute, I want to be a proper here. Okay, okay, so so these numbers are there. You have to write 9 times mentally. How we can write? Okay, I didn't understand how we can write. Okay, so generally we can write by multiplying. We can write like this. Result will be like, like this: 13680. This is given 347 multiply by 9. If you multiply, you will get a random digit like this: 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. You will get like that a random digit. If you multiply this one, you will get also random digit here: 5702,369. If you multiply by the 9, you will get a random digit like this: 321 321 321. Okay, and if you multiply this one also, 25692359. If you multiply, then you actually when I multiply that, I get the random digit 123. Then it is 231. That's going to be 231. Then it's going to be 231. This is 9 pattern. You see 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Here 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1. Here 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. This is a one pattern. Okay, now so how we are going how we get the represented patterns like this here. Okay, now so this is the only one question. I hope this is clear, and this chapter is totally completed. Whatever in this chapter, everything is completed. So let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.